your ultimate guardian against hidden threats in your living space. With the rising concerns about indoor air quality, this nifty device is a must-have for every home. Zaire, a frontrunner in the industry with a decade of expertise in crafting top-notch detection equipment and testing instruments, brings you a product that's not just about numbers on a screen. It's about the well-being of you and your loved ones. Their commitment to delivering high-quality, high-performance laboratory apparatus is unmatched, and they even offer OEM customization to tailor to your specific needs. The HomeGuard Indoor CO2 meter is more than just a gadget, it's an investment in your family's health. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, it blends seamlessly into any home decor while vigilantly monitoring the air you breathe. Say goodbye to stuffy rooms and hello to peace of mind, knowing that your indoor environment is as fresh as a spring breeze. And here's the cherry on top. We're offering an exclusive promotion that makes it even easier to bring the HomeGuard Indoor CO2 meter into your home. It's our way of saying thank you for choosing health and safety. Don't let harmful CO2 levels sneak up on you. Take the first step towards a healthier home today. For more information on our products and how we can assist you, feel free to reach out.